Hi, everybody. This is our lesson wrap up for Somewhere to Travel. We're just going to go over a couple of points here that we touched on these lightly during the lesson. So we're going to go over them in a little bit more detail in this wrap up. First way is just different ways you can answer where would you like to travel? So, of course, we can say I'd like to travel to, and then you can give your destination. That's probably going to be the most kind of common answer. You can also use go to. I'd like to go to Canada. I'd like to go to New York. So again, remember that the preposition to here, this means we're going towards a destination. We are moving towards the destinations because travel and go, when we use these verbs, it means they have that connotation that you're moving. Now, I'd like to visit. Of course, visit, this verb, it doesn't really have that connotation that you're going somewhere. It just means you're just kind of it's a stationary verb. You're not moving towards something, but you can use it when someone asks you this. Where would you like to travel? I'd like to visit New York. I'd like to visit Seoul. I'd like to visit Bangkok. So yeah, just those are some different variations, and these are some more variations on how to answer. Do you have any plans to travel this year? Now, if you have definite plans to travel this year, you can say, I'm planning to travel to London. I plan on traveling to, this is going to be the same thing as this. I plan on traveling to London this year. Now, right here, these last three, these are not definite. You may travel this year, you may not travel this year, so it's still you do not know. So you can use some of these phrases to answer this question. So you can say I may or I might, which means there's a possibility. So you can say I may travel to New York this year. I might travel to New York this year. Now, right here, we've got I'm considering and I'm thinking about. This means it's not definite, but you do have it in mind to travel to one of these places. So, do you have any plans to travel this year? And you're thinking about maybe traveling to Dubai. So you could say, well, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm considering traveling to Dubai. You can also say, I'm thinking about traveling to Dubai. So just using these are just going to be more, I don't know. I don't know. You haven't made an exact decision yet. While these are just more, these are stronger, more definite statements. Again, this is going to be a very short wrap up. So, somewhere's to travel. Again, it's a very basic lesson. It's just talk. It's just about talking with other people about where they want to travel, where they wish to travel to. So, thank you very much for following along, and I will see you in the next lesson.